TV code 6 on the screen and unable to view channels? Airtel Thanks app will assist you in fixing it. Here's how. Open the Airtel Thanks app. Tap on Help. Next, tap on Chat Now to launch chatbot. Click on Network-related issues bubble. Select Unable to view channels or select the Type button from the bottom of the screen to type in your concern. Next, tap on TV code 6, Account Suspended. Interact with the chatbot and select the appropriate options as per the concern. Get resolution for your concern on the chat. If required, a ticket will be raised immediately and our team will reach out to you accordingly. Find answers to all your queries on a single platform with Airtel Cares. We are here to help.